Welcome to Create You Homeschooling. Here is a very effective morning routine for the kids. I motivate my son to follow this routine every day, as sticking to a strict routine helps kids to develop time planning, punctuality, and productive habits. I printed this routine and stick it next to the bathroom door. I encourage my son to tick the box beside each task once it is done. This gives them a sense of achievement and makes the morning routine more fun. In the morning, very first thing my son does is to make his bed. This might seem like a very small thing, but making bed every morning can work miracles. To make it more interesting to fold a blanket, first you can ask your kid to find the corners of the blanket and fold along the opposite corners. This trick will make folding a blanket more like a puzzle rather than a task. In the same way, to make bed, you can ask them to find the corners of the bed sheet and match them to the respective corners of the bed. Simple habits leads to more productive habits. So, though making bed is a very simple task, it helps the kids to start the day with a sense of accomplishment. Moreover, kids will get a feel about the cleanliness. Once their bed is cleaned, they will also make sure that their room too is clean. In the long run, you will notice this small task turn into a responsibility. Immediately after making bed, I give my son a full glass of water. Drinking a full glass of water in the morning helps to rehydrate. It also refreshes the brain and increases the alertness. Here is a small fun fact. Do you know that losing just 2% of body water can affect your mood, attention, and memory? So, get your kids to drink at least 1.5 liters of water a day. The next task is to go potty. Doing potty in the morning helps kids to get rid of physical negativity from the day before. Also here, sticking to a schedule helps the kids to make it a routine. The next task in the routine is brushing teeth. Brushing in the morning helps to remove the bacteria accumulated on the teeth during the night. Tell your kids that cleaning the teeth and gum thoroughly and for at least 2 minutes is very important to avoid tooth decay and gum diseases. Brushing teeth is one of the tasks which kids find very boring. So, try to make it enjoyable for them by singing songs, making brushing noises, etc. Right after brushing, my son takes a shower. Taking a warm shower moisturizes and cleans the skin, relieves muscle tension, improves blood circulation, and most importantly, helps to feel good about ourselves. While my son takes shower, I will ready his clothes. It is better to teach kids to dress themselves from around 2.5 years of age. I will show you more in detail about which dressing skills to teach at what age in my next video. Getting dressed is a very important skill and milestone in the kids' development. Dressing themselves gives your child a sense of achievement and thereby improves their confidence. It improves motor skills as they learn to fasten zips and buttons. It also gives them a feel about the time and space as they learn to put on different clothes for different seasons, occasions, and places. I have provided the link to this routine in the description box. Having trouble motivating your kids to follow a routine? Then keep watching. I will post a video about how to motivate kids to stick to a schedule and teach effectively to perform the tasks in the routine. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please do like and subscribe. See you in the next videos.